You know, something that my wife and I enjoy working on. In fact, both our families enjoy working on them as well. Jigsaw puzzles. In fact, I'm sure you've probably worked on a jigsaw puzzle or two yourself in the past. Maybe you're working on one now. What's neat about a jigsaw puzzle is there are some immediate clues out of the box on how to get started. For example, when I start a jigsaw puzzle, we usually start with the edge pieces. And so we can kind of build a frame, connect the corners, and have kind of a starting point. But once you've connected the corners and the edges and have the frame around the puzzle, you're kind of stuck without the picture on the box. What I encounter in my work as a financial advisor is a lot of people, whether they're 45 years old, 55 years old, 65 years old, they've collected a bunch of financial puzzle pieces over the years, whether that's investments, mutual funds, ETFs, maybe an old whole life insurance policy, 529 accounts, an IRA here, a CD at the bank, a money market account. They just have a bunch of these pieces that don't really seem to fit together in a uniform or strategic manner. And what I find a lot of these people are also missing is the, quote, picture on the box, meaning they haven't taken a step back and figured out what exactly they're working towards. What are all these financial puzzle pieces working towards? What are they trying to accomplish for them? So I think this analogy holds up pretty well, and I think there's a lot of value in thinking about what is your picture on your financial jigsaw puzzle of life. What are you ultimately trying to build for yourself, for your family, for those that you care about? And I think you'll find once you spend some time exploring what that picture looks like in detail, it'll make financial decision making and keeping some order and organization with your financial puzzle pieces a lot easier. It'll make a lot more sense, probably a lot less stressful. You'll feel more organized. So the thought for today is, if you feel like you've got a bunch of maybe even random feeling financial puzzle pieces in your life, maybe you need to figure out how they play a part in building the picture, the life, the goals, the retirement, whatever is important to you that you want to have. Because otherwise, it's almost like you're trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle without the benefit of the picture on the box. I'm Russ Thornton. I'm a financial advisor, also the creator of Wealth Care for Women, and that's the thought for today. So until next time.